Hi guys, welcome to RPA Stuff. Today's video is an update on a topic we covered in one of our previous videos. In this video, we will be looking at the text file package command, which makes reading a config file easy. I will be using this text file as config for demo. In the Actions section, please search for the package related to text files. Please avoid confusion with CSV or text packages. Scroll down until you find the text file package. Drag and drop the read variable action. In Source File section, add configuration file path. Check Trim Leading and Trailing Spaces checkboxes to remove unnecessary spaces from the values extracted. Now let's create variables to assign values. In the Action Properties, please click on Add Variable Mapping and assign variables to the keys that have the same name. Let us add message box to see results. Let's save and run the bot. As you can see, this single command can be used to read text configuration file. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Leave a comment and share it with your colleagues.